Hi, it's Jonathan, teacher. Today, let's study the past simple. Yesterday, I talked to my mother. I studied English in San Diego last year. 2 hours ago, she went to the beach. The past simple is used to describe completed actions in the past. The past is before now. In English, we change the verb to show something happened in the past. Grammar is time in English. So for regular verbs, it is verb plus ed to make the past simple tense. Talk becomes talked, call becomes called, study becomes studied. Don't forget, if the word ends in Y, you drop the Y and add IED. But be careful. There are many irregular verbs in English that do not follow this rule. For example, go becomes went in the past simple. Have becomes had. Eat becomes ate. There is no rule. You must memorize these. And finally, questions. What did you do yesterday?
I went to the beach and walked my dog.
To make a question, it's question word plus did plus subject plus the base verb. Did you have a good time?
Yes, I did. I had a great time.
Did you have a good time?
No, I didn't.
If it's a yes or no question, you can say yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Thanks.